Hello everyone. In the last session, we have discussed on scenario-based questions on Oracle SQL question series. Today, we are going to see on that IICS tutorial series about what is secure agent and how it is working and how we can access the metadata and also what are the functionalities of the secure agent and the services. Everything we are going to see on today. So please watch this session till end so you can get the clear idea on that secure agents. See here, when we are working in that organizations, we can get the customer data. Okay, this customer data I need to migrate to cloud applications. Here I have taken my cloud application. It is Snowflake I have taken now. Okay, so if I want to migrate the data means I can use that data integration server. With help of that I can migrate the data. And just think it, we have established the connection and given the source and target and we built the mapping also a task. Okay, so we have done everything, but the entire source and target metadata and the mapping task connections, everything it is stored in the Informatica cloud repositories only. Okay, and we should know that whenever we are working in that IICS in data integrations, we don't have the direct access for that to get the metadata from the cloud repositories. So if I want to get the metadata means in that place only the secure agent it is come. Okay, it's came and with help of the secure agent we can access the metadatas. Okay, see in this Informatica cloud or secure agent architecture. Okay, here this secure agent it is interacting with the on-premises applications as well as the cloud applications. And after that it will be interact to the uh, cloud repositories. Then we can get the result through the monitor page. With help of the secure agent we can access the metadata. And what is a secure agent? When we see the secure agent, it is a lightweight program. Okay, and it is self upgrading program. That is, whenever any updating it's happening in IACS, it will be automatically it will update the process. And here we need to install the secure agent in our physical machines. And based on that we can get the one unique registration number, we can get it. After the installation is everything it is done, we can do the mapping or task. So we can run our task or mapping. Okay, and the secure communication it will be available across the firewall between our organizations and cloud applications. Okay, what are the functionalities of secure agent means? First, it gives the secure connections between on-premises and the cloud. After that, it's act like a local agent. And third one, it is running the all task or mapping like that. And it access that all the data sources like database, flat file or applications. So it is accessing the all the data sources. Okay, next it is secure agent services. So when we see the secure agent services, it is managing the application and integration the process. Here we have the some of the services available in Informatica secure agent. See here, first is B2B. B2B means it runs the B2B gateway in inbound and outbound processes. And after that data integration server, we know that it runs the data integrations job and it processing. And third it is like the cloud integration hub, that is CIH process. So it runs the cloud integration hub everything. So like that we have that many services available in IACS. So we can see this everything in the administration page. We can see this one. Okay. So whenever the services it's not working, or it is stop this particular services, so we can restart the services or we can stop the services, so it won't be affect to that other services as well. Okay, so you may have the doubt it is a, so can we install that more than once secure agent in a one physical machines, means no, we can't able to install it one physical machines. We can install the one secure agent, based on that we can run the mapping or task or task flows, but we can share the secure agent, and we can rename the secure agent, and if secure agent it does not use means, so we can delete the secure agent. So these and all we can do it. Okay, so today we have discussed on the what is secure agent and how it is working, and what are the functionalities of secure agent, everything it's we discussed on today. Okay, so if you want to know about more concept or questions in SQL or IICS, please post a comment. We'll discuss on upcoming sessions. Thanks for watching the session till end. And please subscribe it, comment it, and share it, like it.